Unshrinking a Hoodie, Step-by-Step Guide.
Hello everyone! Have you ever accidentally shrunk your favorite hoodie in the dryer? You're not alone. Today we're going to discuss a simple method that can help you unshrink your hoodie and bring it back to its original size.
Why does a hoodie shrink?
To solve the problem, it's crucial to understand why it occurs. Most hoodies shrink because of the heat from the dryer, which causes the fibers in the hoodie to contract. This is more common with hoodies made of cotton or wool.
What you'll need to unshrink a hoodie.
Here are the items you'll need: a bucket or sink, warm water, conditioner or baby shampoo, a large towel.
The unshrinking process.
Now let's get into the actual process of unshrinking your hoodie. Step 1. Fill your bucket or sink with warm, not hot, water. Step 2. Add a generous amount of conditioner or baby shampoo into the water. This helps relax and loosen the fibers of the hoodie. Step 3. Soak your hoodie in the water for about 30 minutes. Step 4. After soaking, gently squeeze the hoodie to remove excess water, but do not rinse it. Step 5. Lay out your large towel and place the wet hoodie flat on top of it. Step 6. Roll the towel with the hoodie inside it to remove more water. Unroll the towel afterward. Step 7. Now, gently stretch your hoodie back to its original size. Leave it to air dry flat.
Preventing future shrinkage.
After successfully unshrinking your hoodie, you'll want to avoid this issue in the future. You can do this by washing your hoodie in cold water and air drying it, instead of using a dryer. If you must use a dryer, make sure to use a low heat setting. And there you have it, a simple guide to unshrink your beloved hoodie. Remember, with a little time and care, you can bring your hoodie back to its original size. We hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching. Happy unshrinking!